Hey guys, it's Ebony. Today is Friday, August the 2nd, and I needed to talk to you guys because I haven't been on my channel in a while. First of all, let me talk to you guys about my hair. So, as you see, I am not rocking my braids and twists and locks and all these different styles that I've been rocking over the past few months. And I know a lot of you guys who are subscribed to my YouTube channel, you don't follow me on Instagram, so you don't even know what's going on with me half of the time. So, I'll just kind of give you some background. So for probably 8 months, I've been keeping my hair in different crochet styles. And I finally decided to go ahead and take it out. So I did my third big chop ever 7 months ago. So what is it? It's August, which is the eighth month. So yeah, it was around January. I did my third big chop. So the first big chop I ever did, it was in my early 20s. I think I was like 20 or 21. And at that time, natural hair wasn't really popping like it is now. Like people weren't really on board. But I met a girlfriend when I joined the army, when I joined the military. She was in my training class, and I met her. She had the most beautiful natural hair, and I was like, girl, I want to look like that. So I cut all my hair off, and then the second time was in my early 30s, and I actually did it on this YouTube channel. And then the third time was just in January, so I just cut it all off. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I actually regret cutting my hair off. I regret it because I just didn't realize how slow of a process it is to grow my hair back because of shrinkage. So, even if I get a little bit of length, I won't be able to actually see that length until my hair gets very, very long because of shrinkage. I don't know what I was thinking when I cut off my hair. Um, Sometimes I get impulses to do things and I just act off impulse, and I just acted off impulse and I cut my hair off that day. So I have the long tedious task ahead of me of growing my hair back, and I've purchased hair vitamins, and I've been using this particular scalp treatment that I just purchased. I just started all this, you guys. I haven't been doing it for 7 months. I just started it like last week when I decided, okay, I need to grow my hair back. So I've um, purchased some different things that I'm going to be using in conjunction with the other things. Um, if you didn't understand what I just said, I meant to say I'm going to be using it all at once. So whether something works or something does not work, I won't know because I'm going to be using multiple things at once. Some supplements, I'm going to be using some stuff that I rub on my scalp. Um, and that's about it. Just deep conditioning my hair and making sure it's healthy. But I want my hair back. Like I want my hair back. My hair was never extremely long, but right after I gave birth to my youngest son, my wash and go, it had length. So it's this same wash and go like I'm wearing now, these same very, very tight curls. It was like here. So the fact that I don't have any more length to play with is a little bit, I don't know. I mean, I'm getting up there in age. I'm 34, I'll be 35 this year. And I think I'm getting at a point where I don't want to look super old. Like, I have 5 children. I'm a 30-year-old, a woman in her mid 30s. Like, I don't want to look super old. And for some reason, I feel like short hair, it ages me a little bit, and longer hair makes me look a little bit more youthful. And I'm not saying that's true for everyone, but I have noticed that that's true for me. So yeah, that's one thing. Second thing, I just came back from Africa, and those of you who do follow me on Instagram, you saw a lot of the pictures and videos, but I want to do a video for this channel and just talk about my experience. So, I went to Ghana, West Africa for 3 weeks. Is the most vacation time I could squeeze out at my job, and it was the most amazing experience. And I want to talk to you guys about it. Some of the things that maybe you never heard about Africa. It was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. Um, so I want to do a video. So if you have any particular questions about my trip to Ghana that you want me to answer in a video, I will definitely do that for you. I'm going to break the video up in different categories. So I'm going to break it up: accommodations, food, culture, transportation, um, the slave castles. I visited two castles that were part of the transatlantic slave trade. I'm gonna break it up in categories. So I already have a format for the video so that I'm not just rambling all over the place. But if you have any questions that you would like me to answer, um, just let me know so that I don't miss anything when I talk about my experience. Um, it was amazing, guys. It was absolutely amazing. Like, I want to go to every country in Africa. Like, that's how hype I am from the trip. I just want to see every country, every culture. I just want to go all over Africa and just see the people. The people are just amazingly beautiful. And I say that because I have an eye for, or I have a love for, let's say this, I have a love for black African features. So I love, dark skin. I love all shades of brown, but particularly really dark skin. I love it. I love different hair textures that are seen on Africans and African Americans. I love my hair texture. I love, um, I love there's like my hair is very coily, but then there's some people who have kinky hair and their hair is more wiry. Wiry is the word I'm looking for, and I think that's just absolutely beautiful because it always grows like thickish. I don't know if I'm explaining myself well, but I love features. I love high cheekbones. I love thick noses. I love thick lips. I love everything about black people. So when I was in Ghana, I was just looking at everyone's faces like, wow, these are some amazingly beautiful people. And they probably don't even know they're beautiful because they just see people who look like them every day. But I was just looking around like, wow, these people are really beautiful. People were beautiful, but the environment was beautiful. The scenery was beautiful. The country itself is beautiful, although it's not the richest country in the world, but it was still beautiful because there's something about um it's just something about it. And then it was right on the coast of Africa, the coast of West Africa. But I'll talk about all of that in another video. Um, what else did I want to talk to you guys about? Um, yeah, my weight loss journey. So, I recorded a video before I went to Ghana, and I was explaining how I had lost 40 pounds. Well, I went to Ghana and I gained like 8 pounds. So I gotta get back on it. But when I was in Ghana, I was just eating so much delicious food, and I wasn't caring about my waistline. So, now that I've gotten back to the US, I can't seem to get back in the swing of things to get this weight off me, and I still have more weight I need to lose. So I might still upload that video. It's dated. It's like a month old because didn't get a chance to upload it before I went to Ghana. But I might still upload it, or I might make a new video and tell you how I lost the first 40 pounds. But I got to get back to it. Yeah, I'm not where I want to be. And I was looking online. I'm just going to be honest with you. I was looking online at all these different procedures that women are having. Brazilian butt lifts, they look attractive. You can suck all the fat out of your midsection and you can put it on your hips and your butt. That surgery looks super attractive. I'm not going to lie, super attractive. And I'm not somebody who is obsessed with my appearance, but it still looked attractive to me. Like, for example, if you go on my Instagram, you probably won't see very many full body shots of me because I don't really care, about showing my body. Like, there are some pictures on there from head to toe, but a lot of times I don't even worry about trying to get my whole body in the frame, especially when I'm with the kids. I just hold the camera back and we just do like selfies like this. So I'm not somebody who's super obsessed with my body, but it looked attractive given the fact that the surgery does all the work for you. It just sucks it out of your waist and it puts it somewhere else. And I wouldn't mind having extra fat on my hips and my butt. I wouldn't mind that. Um, I wouldn't mind that. The fat I want to get rid of is in my stomach, my legs, my arms, but I wouldn't mind it there. But with that being said, I mean, with everything, there's risk and complications, but it's just so common now. Have you guys noticed that it's just so common that women are getting surgeries like it's a dentist appointment. It's so common, and I'm not saying that in a negative way whatsoever, because I say do whatever you want to make you feel beautiful. Like if my teeth weren't straight, I would have braces. Like if I couldn't see, I had glasses, I couldn't see, and I got LASIK, and now I have 20/20 vision. So, and if I had like a scar somewhere that was bothering me, I would go get it revised. So I'm not knocking anybody, but I'm just it's just so unbelievable how common these procedures are, that people are going to plastic surgeons like they're dentists. I'm telling you, Miami, Houston, New York, all kinds of cities in California, like the doctors are just setting up shop and just turning patients out, and that's just in the US, and in the Caribbean and in Mexico they also have these, and in South America, Brazil. I was watching a documentary that said, like, in Brazil women are financing surgeries like it's a car. You have your monthly payment for your surgery. So I mean everywhere, and it's just becoming such a common thing, to the point where I think all women are going to end up looking alike. We already almost look alike because we all got, not all of us, but I'm just saying a lot of us, have the wigs all glued down, all the eyebrows, and now we're about to have all the same, we're all about to have the same body shape, because it's just a matter of going to a doctor, getting them to contour and shape you where you look just like the next person. So I don't know how I feel about that. Like I said, I don't judge people at all. At all. I got rid of that aspect um of my personality. I don't judge people at all, no matter what you're doing. But um I say do what makes you happy, but what we are all starting to look the same. So anyway, I'm running out of space on my phone, so I will talk to you guys later. Bye.